So I'm finally back with another video. I took a little bit of a hiatus to kind of just rest up my creative brain, if you will, and like kind of reset and see where I want to take things. And it's been almost a month since I finished that 1 month challenge, and I've just been inspired by a lot of homies and a lot of friends to continue very actively pursuing this creative thing that we're doing. Yeah, so with that, I got booked for some gigs, and that made me realize to invest that money back into my personal business, which is creating photo video. So one of the new things I'm shooting on is a 20mm Viltrox 2.8, and then I also got a Tamron 17 to 70 2.8 as well. This one's gonna be really good range. Slight bit of an upgrade from a kit lens with shallow depth of field, which is gonna be nice in low light conditions. Gives me a wide range from 17 to 70, obviously. And then I've been looking for something for more like content related things. I was inspired by like making a small daily carry or like a travel carry, and that's what this lens is. You will show it off probably in another video because it's the lens that I'm shooting on right now, but the build of it is super low profile. So this obviously 17 to 20 millimeters, I can get the 20 millimeter range on this, but it is such like a big lens. I wanted something that, you know, when I do travel or just go places or just for like a daily carry as I'm going out and about, I wanted something that's makes my camera a bit lower profile, a bit smaller, a bit easier to carry around. There's a lot of different cameras that provide that, but I'm not trying to buy a whole nother camera, so I figured I'd invest in some inexpensive lenses that still hold up the quality. So with all of that, with all of the wanting to invest back into myself again and start creating again, I think one thing that I really needed, and I didn't make a whole video about it because I feel like I always make a video about me cleaning my room because space always gets messy. But one thing I am doing, and that I've been doing all day today, is cleaning my desk area, making it a lot more work friendly and a space that will have me more inspired to create, and a space that I want to be in and that's easy to be in, and you know, I can get my creative stuff done. So we're cleaning off the desk. Didn't show a lot of process about that, but as I was about to clean my keyboard right here, it's been a while since I've cleaned it. As I was about to clean it, I was like, this is dirty, like really grimy. So one thing I was realizing after I was like trying to clear my space is that I think because we got air vents like right on this side, so it blows right to my desktop area, so it can get pretty dusty at times. And since I haven't cleaned my keyboard in a while, like it gets pretty nasty. Right now I am currently watching OKC versus the Suns. Yeah, Suns are getting swept for sure in my opinion. All clean. Nothing to put this thing back together. Let's just do a little